And today, we gonna be. Let me put my hood on with my hair. Today we gonna be cooking chicken breast. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking chicken breast. So jerk chicken breast and regular chicken breast. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna be recording it. I decided just to turn the camera on because it's like why not? I'm cooking. A lot of people don't know that I know how to cook too, so I'm finna cook too. Let's get right up into it. So first we're gonna get straight into it. We gonna of course season them. But then we got 8 chicken breasts, right? 4 of them gonna be jerked. I'm talking hot jerked. The other 4 gonna be seasoned regular. So without further ado, let me give y'all a close up of me seasoning that chicken. So first, what you really want to do, you really want to, honestly, I think you should start off by taking some of the fat off the chicken breast, because up in this household, personally, I don't know how y'all like, we don't like I said chicken breast, these chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. We don't like our chicken thighs too fatty with all that extra fat or skin up on it. So what we're gonna first start off by doing is basically just washing them off and cutting them excess fat off of them. So let's get right into it. Now always remember to oil your pans, cause you gotta oil your pans, like you gotta oil your pans. And one thing my daddy always tell me, beat your meat before you eat. So that go for the little good luck. So what the fuck? Let's oil the meat up, put the seasoning up on it. Let's get right to man. Say no more. Let's just jump right back up into it. And don't ever forget, bro, just like comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want me to cook next in front of y'all. I'm on it. Like, matter of fact, let me. I really do this cooking stuff. Like, we really finna get into it. So, y'all see me oil up the first pan. I think we gonna use that for the jerk. Since this, like, you feel me? This gonna have that. You want the jerk to stay jerk. Like, you want all that jerk in it to be up to now with that. So we're gonna first we got paprika, some onion powder. We're gonna put them all up in there, right? Just my daddy. We're gonna give them some bigger pieces. Some of these pieces, believe it or not, y'all, some of these pieces still been froze, and they've been out since this morning. It's 3:30 right now. We're gonna give it some natural olive oil. A lot of people don't know you need that. All that to open some oil. We got the oil up on so now what we want to do now is just basically get right into it, man. Get right into it. Season that meat, man. Make sure it tastes good. Let's go with some pepper first. you black, you know you gotta use some pepper when you season everything. I don't care what nobody said. Everybody use black pepper to season. If you truly black, you using black pepper for everything you season. I don't wanna hear, I don't use black pepper. Like, yes, you do. You use black pepper. With the onion powder. No, I mean garlic powder. It's the paprika right here. Go. We doing the jerk ones first, so y'all just so y'all know. We gonna mix that up. We gotta, come on, don't sleep. So we got that. Here go the, come on now. You know what this is. Don't play this. We got that. That jerk seasoning, man. I can't show, I don't wanna, you feel me? Pour a little bit of that seasoning, that jerk seasoning off the top. Drip, drop, 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 drip, drop. Yeah, we're gonna try to pull everything around so I can get up in there how I want to get up in there, you heard me? Oh my God, they got a brush.
All angles, know what I'm saying? The voice.
Yeah. Yeah, so we just gonna hope this ain't too much. He said he wanted spicy. Cause the jerk chicken ain't for me. I ain't want no jerk chicken today, so this for my pops. So he told me go ahead to the jerk chicken. I said, matter of fact, I might turn the camera on, right? Record myself. Getting busy with the chicken. So we looking out good now. So now what we gonna do? Put the top back on that. So what you want to buy? You want to get some virgin, some extra virgin olive oil. I said virgin. It's your boy CJ to go. We back with another video. Matter of fact, I don't even gotta say all that. Man, the food, the chicken is done. We got the chicken thighs, cause I called them breasts earlier. Chicken thighs, and we got, I don't know if I got it up in the Asian vegetables. Yeah, but food came out good. I'm finna eat. I ain't eat yet. I'm out.